welcome to this Coachmen Catalina Insider First Take. My name is Matt Eppers, and today we're going to talk about your battery and appliance electrical problems. It is important to note that a deep cycle battery takes 24 to 48 hours to recharge. Unlike a battery in your car or truck that takes less time, the charging system in your trailer is a low amp system. This means that your battery charge is going to last longer. Your battery does require periodic maintenance and will boil dry if not done properly. This maintenance includes checking that the battery cable should be intact and the connectors kept tight at all times. Always use insulated tools to avoid shorting battery terminals. Regular inspection is recommended. Batteries should be kept clean and free of dirt and corrosion at all times. Water used to replenish batteries should be distilled or treated not to exceed 200 TDS. That means total dissolved solids parts per million. Particular care should be taken to avoid metallic contamination, such as iron. As batteries age, the maintenance requirements change. This means longer charging time and/or high finish rate. Usually older batteries need to be watered more often and the capacity decreases. Completely charge the battery before storing and before starting after storage. Remove all electrical connections from the battery, including series and parallel connectors. As far as electrical problems, if your appliances aren't working, it could be because of a low battery. Even though you may have lights, low voltage prevents the fridge, furnace, and hot water heater from operating properly. If you're trying to use too much power, your 110 volt or GFCI outlet will trip the breaker. This will cut the supply of power to the affected outlets and they may need to be reset. To do this, reset your GFCI outlets and also reset the breaker. If this does not work, you may need to replace the fuse. To check which fuse is blown, check the breaker box. If the fuse needs replaced, a red light will appear next to it. Simply remove the fuse and replace it with a new one. Thanks for tuning in today and have fun camping in your Catalina travel trailer.